Hi everyone, I wanted to show you my makeup for today. I'm starting off with tinted moisturizer in medium. It's color correcting. It reminds me I might need a little more self tanner, but it actually adjusts up and down a few shades, so I shouldn't have any issues. This is the original foundation in Fawn. I'm doing that for just a little bit of extra coverage. You don't always need that, just depends on your preference. But it blends really beautifully and adjusts up and down as well. And now I'm going back in with concealer in light for those little breakouts that I have on my face and just to even out my complexion anywhere where I need more coverage. Now I'm putting Candlelight Shadow Sense on my eyelids. This is a really beautiful base that I always like to start with because it evens out the color of my eyelids and provides a really nice base to give the color a nice pop on my eyes. Now I'm putting on blush in Toasted Rose. It's creamy, blends really beautifully right into the foundation, and now I'm going back to my eyes with the Shell Glitter Shadow Sense. This has a little bit of shimmer. I really love it for every day. It's just a really soft, sweet pink, and I'm putting this all over my eyelids and just blending it in. All of our shadows are cream to powder, so they blend, and then when they dry, they're budge proof and smudge proof as well. This is Candy Cocoa Shimmer Shadow Sense. I love it for my crease to give me a little bit of extra definition in my eyes and make my eyes pop a little bit more. And now I'm going to put just a little bit of Pink Opal Shimmer under my brow bone. Clearly it's time to pull the stopper out of this one because it's almost empty. And I'm just going to do a little bit as a highlight, which also gives your eye a nice lift. It's important to never forget your eyebrows, and right now I'm using Rustic Brown Shadow Sense. It's also one of our eyeshadows. This one goes on pretty dark, so depending on the day, I'll do either Rustic Brown or Mocha Java, and then I just go back in with a mascara spoolie and blend it out a little bit to smooth it out. And once my hair goes down, you'll see how everything really blends together and it ends up not being too dark once you finish your eye makeup. That was the powder in Silver Rose, and now I'm lining my eyes with the black eye pencil, also waterproof, budge-proof, smudge-proof, and absolutely easy and amazing to apply. Now it's time for mascara. So this is the primer. It really makes your lashes full and fluffy. And I like that as a first coat just to get started with my lashes. And then I'm coming back in today with our mascara in black. We have waterproof and non-waterproof, which is humidity resistant. And I'm wearing the humidity resistant non-waterproof today in black. And as you can see, it gets the eyelashes really nice and full. I get asked if I have extensions all the time. So now it's time for lip sense. So I've just cleaned my lips with witch hazel, and I'm going to wear our new Golden Orchid lip sense. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a really light pink with some gold shimmer to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know that you're going to do 3 layers and let each layer dry in between. And then after those 3 layers, I'm coming back in with Pink Sand Gloss just to set my color. And all I'll need is my gloss throughout the day to make sure that my color lasts up to 18 hours. So that's all it for the makeup. So I'm going to toss in some earrings and shake out my hair and give you a finished look and dust that brush bristle off my face there. I'm now going in with a little bit of powder just to set it, everything and soften it up. And as everything sets, you're going to see that it comes to this really nice HD finish. It's really lovely. And all of my makeup and lip sense is going to take me from day to night. And here's the finished look after everything has set. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.